Hey everyone, this is DayTraderRockStar, and this is the market radar video for Wednesday, April 9th. Just make sure my dates are right. So our first video went out without a hitch yesterday. We called for an upside day, green day, and we definitely got that. The S&P here closing up 7, Dow's up 16, Nasdaq a nice 33, and we actually did a couple interesting things on the chart. If we take a look at the 5-minute chart, we'll start off here. Take a look at the early move down this morning. We took out yesterday's lows, we took out the overnight lows, and we did a lot of things that I typically like to see if we're going to reverse. And this was mentioned yesterday. There was a good shot that we actually take out the lows and then actually close higher in the end of the day. And if you can see, we actually closed not that far off the highs of the session. It wasn't a tremendous rally. That's why we had a 1-star, or actually a 1-arrow up, kind of a call on this day today. And this leads us into tomorrow. Now, what happened here? The 5-minute gave us some really good levels to watch. You had a 5-minute oversold level in the beginning of the day, got overbought, came back oversold, popped back up, overbought, pulled back, oversold, popped back up, and again chopping around. But what I'm seeing is the market's starting to get back into rhythm, and it's a much different rhythm than seeing an aggressive sell side or an aggressive buy side. We want to see this. Multiple time frames tend to rotate inside a larger time frame. So a 5-minute will rotate inside of a 60 will rotate inside of a daily, meaning that it'll make overbought and oversold levels as this is the hourly right now, and this is what we were calling for. So what we have on the hourly, we had a support line 1840 taken out, reversed, but we had a big reversal candle on the 60-minute chart, and this is pretty good. I like to see that 60-minute candle to play out, and that gave us some upside. Now look where we are here. We're actually starting to push back up. We're in the midpoint of our momentum push back up into trying to get back into an overbought level, and that's that kind of is always the level we want to watch. If we fail here, then look for more downside. Do we look for that failure? If there's something out there that gives us that failure for whatever reason, that's one of those things that we could look for, is that crossover on the stochastics, to look for some more downside. Right now we're going to make a call for tomorrow with the daily still negative, but the hourly still positive, and a big downward push here, and we actually held on to that 50-period moving average. Again, the daily stochastic still kind of negative, but we're going to really concentrate more on the 60. We're going to actually look for a little more upside. The 200-period moving average is played out nice on this. The 20-period moving average is right above us at 1857. That's about 6 points higher. And the hourly stochastic here is actually still very bullish. So we're going to look for a follow-through day tomorrow. Follow-through day. The one thing I will say is tomorrow we have the FOMC minutes. We don't know what's going to come from that. That gets released at 2 o'clock. We have other events that are out. Wholesale inventory is out at 10 a.m. Crude oil inventory is out at 10:30. And again, the minutes out at 2 o'clock. And then we have some, that's about it. So upside day tomorrow, we're going to give it another green, one single green arrow, even though because we're not have multiple indicators lined up here. We do have a little momentum shift on the 60, and I like this shift. It looks pretty good. So right now we're going to look for some more upside. A 1-arrow upside call for tomorrow on the radar. Great day today at Day Trading Radio. Very excited to bring you the market radar. We'll see you tomorrow on the markets about 8:30. And this is, again, one of many videos that are going to be coming your way. They're going to be short, sweet, and basically just talking about the short-term indicators on the S&P 500. Upside day tomorrow. We'll see you in the markets.